Hi, if you are trying to apply to universities in Italy for the first time, today I will be showing you where you can see all the universities available in Italy and you can filter through them to be able to select the appropriate school that fits your discipline. So first off, you go to your browser and you search for Universitaly. Universitaly is spelled this way, and here is it, the first one that shows up on your list, on your search result: www.universitaly.it. So this is the website. You can type www.universitaly.it. If you type universitaly.it, it might not work, so you have to insert www.universitaly.it. So it brings you to this platform, and on this platform, think of it like it has the list of all the university courses or all the university you can ever think of that are in Italy. So let's assume this is where you search for all your courses and what you want to study. You can check through this website and see other information that might interest you. Living in Italy, international student. There is another place, why in Italy, foreign student. Scholarships and benefits, so you can play around. However, the focus of this video is how to search for a university. For example, let's say you want to study, you're looking for masters in engineering management, for example. So you can type in engineering management in here, engineering management, or whatever course you are looking for. Just type the title here, then click on find. Click on find and it pops up. So from here you can see the list of all the courses available. However, let's say you can then filter. You can filter through whatever you want. First year is if you're looking for BSc courses. Second year is if you are looking for master's degree. So let's assume you're looking for master's degree. You tick this tick. So you can also filter the course language you want, so that your filter will be very much specific. So select English, and type of access you can leave this, and so this English will filter out just English courses for you. And from here you can view list of all courses available. Engineering management, there's one in Siena. If you're interested in going to Siena, you can check it out. You can see EN magistrale means masters, and 2 years the duration, then the language, which is EN, English. If it is IT, you can just look away and look for something else if you don't speak or understand Italian. So the list of all the courses, all the schools are here. So for example, let's look at Università del Salento, my university. So you can click on visit course, or you right click, then open new tab. Then here it takes you directly to the school. So there's some Italians. Let's say if you're scrolling through Italian websites, most times the default language is always in Italian. So if you are using Chrome, you can right click on the page and you can translate to English. So you see it's saying no information is available for this course of study. Probably if you see something like this on whatever school, know that probably the link is broken. So the best way to go about it now is you can then go to your tab and search for, let's say, management, engineering, Università del Salento, or you can type University of Salento, as the case may be. because that's the translation of Università de Salento, University of Salento. So once you click it, you can see it's bringing it all out. Master degree in management engineering. So let me click on this. So from this you can see the course description, you can see what it is all about. This is the website to apply for this particular course. It is a 2-year course. The total credit that you would have is 120. The department, here is the link, the website link. English, that's the language. Location, lecture, and academic year. So this is the academic year. This is the current one ongoing, and here you can go through the course modules and everything. You understand? Around this side, to the right hand side, you can see call for application, but this is for 2025-2026. If we click it, you can see the call. So from here, even if it is not yet open for the year you are looking for, you can check through here. You can read all this documentation to have an idea of when it is always open. So look at this particular one now. Online application deadline. It's giving you all the dates, showing you all the dates. So August 27, 2025. That's the deadline for the first one, for the first call. That is for those intending to attend the interview on September 11. So this is another call is for December 4th to 2025, and another one is March 2nd, then another one is April 1st. So these are the list of what's it called, the courses. So it is another, this is to tell you that okay, management engineering, there is currently call for application ongoing at the University of Salento. So with this, let's say peradventure you are watching this video probably in let's say 2026, maybe this is May 2026. From this you can actually predict when the next call will be open, or what month the next call will be open. So if you are looking for any school whatsoever, just search through Universitaly.it, go through the website, and it will take you to the school. Even if the call is not available at the moment, you can look at past calls to understand when the call will be open, and you can strategize and position yourself for when it will open. So let's see another example. Management engineering, also University of Bergamo. Right click and open visit course. So here also you can see management engineering, department of management engineering. So you can go through this particular place and see if anything is out already. So news and events, announcement, no announcement. So that means there is no call currently for this particular course. However, we can do what we did previously with Università de Salento by searching for management engineering. You can search for admission or application University of Bergamo. So from there you can see MA Management Engineering, University of Bergamo. Start your journey. So we come here, it's loading. Okay, does this with your citizenship, confirm your citizenship? You can take that out. So from here, 2 years, you will see all the details that is required. Tuition fee, first installment 0 to 400 depending on the student family income. So as we always say in Italy, your school fees, your tuition fees depends on your family income. So sometimes you might pay 0. It depends on how rich your family is. You understand? So you will see everything that is required here, and you can see application starts 24th November 2025. So Bergamo, if you are looking for engineering management masters, Bergamo also will soon open. The application will soon start by November 24th 2025. So these are the various ways of applying. You can see all the courses and everything. So like now, if you are checking now, you can see that this application will start. So if you are interested in going to University of Bergamo, you can position yourself and set a reminder on your calendar for 24th of November 2025, so that you'll be part of the first persons that would apply. You understand? So that is the way to search for courses on Universitaly. So Universitaly is a central hub for all the university and the list of courses, you understand, that we have. Okay, so do well to apply. You can check for different courses here. This is mechatronics engineering at the University of Roma. This one is University of Pavia. This is Milano electrical engineering. So you can search for as many courses as you want. Energy engineering, just check and you will get a list of all the universities. So there are some, okay, chemical, physical sciences, okay, no search returned, so there's no physical science course that is ongoing. Let's say for legal, let me see, legal, oh, okay, this is just a filter of relationship. Engineering management has no relationship with the legal, so that's why I think it is showing nothing. It's saying no search results, so we don't need to filter. So that's that for about Universitaly for you to search. So if you're looking to recap, if you're looking for any university at all, or any course you plan to study in a university in Italy, the first thing to go is to go to www.universitaly.it, then search for your course and look through all the schools that are available. So from there you can drill down and go to the website, to the school, university website or department website, to check through the requirements and when the admission will open or when it will start. So right now, this is the period admissions into universities in Italy has started. So you can start checking and start taking positions, start knowing when the call will be out, and for you to start arranging your documents for proper application. And from there also you can know what schools will require application fees, how much you need to pay, and you can get prepared to better position yourself. I believe this video is well explanatory and you've learned something around how to apply to universities in Italy. If you need further information about studying in Italy, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ayobami Ogundairo, and I will keep posting videos and information around how to study in Italy. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.